Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm Ananth. So as you can see, I'm right now So right now we are going through the security. Yep. So we're right now currently through the doors, and yes, finally we have a new setup here. Here that suits our vibe. I feel like we do deserve this after hitting 1.77k, and here are a couple of posters. Hey guys. To get more surprises at 3 am, shop at IKEA right now. Guys, I hope the phone holder and the ring light is right here. Wow, it's crazy. Good technology. And themed pencil. Gaming setup. Animals. This is a monkey, right? Or an orangutan. Ring light and a phone holder, and its cost is 3990. 3990. Guys, the YouTube play button. But I wonder if they'll give this or not. Even though it's not exactly a play button, they have the YouTube logo here. Please type it down in the comments. Some lights. Let's go, guys. They work. Yeah, IKEA was playing tricks on me, but this is absolutely fake. But the soil does look a little bit real. I appreciate that. But these all are absolutely fake. Ma'am, that's not real. You know, that's fake, right? It's like real. Oh, we have noodles. This feels so real, actually. Makes me wanna touch it. It's very, very real. Here is their whole chart or a mind map. Wow, cookies. Oh my god, these are paper cookies. They're 799. Good is spying on me. Oh man, this panda. Okay, now they both are friends, guys. It's actually a table mat. Made of pure jute. Guys, these are the chairs which we bought from IKEA last time. Really hard because to exit IKEA you actually need to roam around IKEA for 1 hour, and literally your legs will start to get cramps, and at some point you want to sit in chairs. Trust me, I came to IKEA like 5 to 6 times and it's been really hard. But yeah, the products which they have, the food canteen and which they have are really amazing. I'll show you when we go from here. And yeah, it will be pretty boring to always show the things that I am showing you. So I'm gonna take some breaks like these and show my face and talk to you. So let's continue with the tour. Now we currently just went through the escalator, and in starting we have a lot of toys, and in the escalators we have a lot of lemon squeezers, if you can see. And a small land for playing. It is kind of surprising they have ATMs here, and IKEA is full of security, guys. Here we have the ATM machines, and here we have the exit, and there are a lot of advertisements on the elevators as well. And we have Hage. We are going through the lemon squeezer section through the elevators. Oh, the upfeed lemon squeezer. Okay guys, we are here in the showrooms, and the showroom entrance is over there. You can already see a nature looking presence. Artificial plants. Some more flowers. Right now we're currently shopping for these. You can see the nature theme there. And there are the showrooms, kitchens, flowers again, and some beautiful curtains with very unique designs, and we have pillow covers. Fun fact, IKEA changes their designs every time I visit here. I rarely visit here maybe once in a month, but they always surprise me with the unique and different designs. This one is like a jungle theme, and yeah, it is a jungle theme. We're going to the showroom. Lanterns. Many couches and different colors. Guys, you won't believe, but for each and every item there's a price here. Lampshades. Flowers again. A lot of flowers actually. This is for you guys. And a pillow covers. And some more ideas for your living room. A lot of pink in my opinion, but yeah, if any of you like pink, it will be great. And again, some flowers. Oh guys, we need to save the stuffed animal. Oh, it's a white panda. You're welcome. Football lights. LED lights. Wow, for a TV. A lot of measuring, Oops. I'm going to just take one. Artificial cactus. Some more flowers again. A good dining set. I feel like IKEA is more like a natural nature lover. I feel like this is like a balcony setup. Again, some flowers. These nice bushes. A tree. Most of these look very artificial. We are in dining. Guys, they are offering the lowest prices.
It's separate.
So we are currently in workspaces, and this is only the 5th section, and there are a lot more to go. So it's going to be a long video, and I'll make sure that you guys discover everything, and I'll not waste your time, of course. So if you guys are excited, I'll show you everything, and let's go. We're in a Swedish restaurant, and this is the cafeteria or the canteen I told you about. Let's go in for more. And Swedish flag over there. Here is where you have to go. Cafeteria, and I'm going to introduce you the food. This is an oatmeal cookie, and we have a couple more foods. I love correspond. Dark chocolate. Right now entering. Filling the trays, guys. Red velvet is my favorite. Comment down if red velvet is your favorite too. We have a lasagna. This is non-veg. So I'm not going to be eating non-veg because it's a Friday today, and according to me, I should not eat non-veg today. We have veg as well. So I'm taking on bread. Okay, we took everything we need. We're currently checking out now. Reminds me of Best Buy right now. There are like a lot of boxes, seriously.
Check
15 p.m. and our shopping with IKEA is over, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think IKEA was the best place to shop our furniture. And if you guys love IKEA too, please shop it right now, and they have many types of furniture and many designs of furniture actually. So thank you all for seeing this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to look more content like this. And I personally feel really happy that I shopped in IKEA today, even though the prices were like kind of varying on the product. I still enjoyed the quality which IKEA maintains is really good quality, which is I believe. So my suggestion to you is to shop in IKEA if you have any furniture to buy. Thank you.